everyone, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. I'm going to be trying to do a successful reverse dip. I've done a few of them, some turn out, some don't. So if you keep trying, then you can only get better, right? So I'm going to give it a whirl. I've got a white acrylic covered 14 by 14 canvas here. I'm just going to give it a quick little torch, get some of the bubbles out. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would be very much appreciated. And everybody that keeps coming back, you're awesome. I love you for it. Please keep coming and watching videos. And all the comments, love them. I read all of them and I respond to everything. So please keep those comments coming. It makes my day when I read them. Okay, I'm going to try this reverse dip. Now as I'm putting the paint down, I'm going to tell you about a friend of mine that has a channel on YouTube. It's called Pour Me Another. He did recently a reverse dip, and I teased in the comments about what a show-off he is because it turned out excellent. So I'm going to try and do this reverse dip as good as he did because his was awesome. So again, his channel is Pour Me Another. And if I can figure out how to put the link down, because I'm not a professional videographer, I will put the link to his channel down if I can figure out how to do it. So sorry Chris, I don't know how, but I will try. And he has no idea I'm even mentioning him in the video. I just figured because I was a smart aleck and called him a show-off, I'd try and be a show-off too and do one myself. Let's see if we can do it. So that was deep turquoise I just put on the canvas. I'm also going to do some burgundy. And then I'm going to put some plastic down and try and have myself a successful reverse dip without having to do a second dip, because if you see some of my past videos, sometimes I have to re-dip because I didn't put enough paint on. So, but this time I'm being generous with the paint. I'm going to do a little bit of silver as well. And then the plastic's going down. And I'm going to have a beautiful reverse dip. Okay, now I think I want to have a little bit of yellow in the center. Yeah, let's do a little bit of yellow. And I think I'm just going to go like this. I know, doesn't look like much right now, and a little bit of burnt umber, which is a pretty brown color. Goes nice with the burgundy. Okay. Oh, you know what? Let's put a little bit of white with silicone. I have a little 7-ounce bottle here. This only has 2 drops, I should say, of silicone. I'm just going to add a little bit in here to help with some cell action. Not on the whole canvas, just in spots. A little bit in the center, why not? Okay. Let's do this. I got my piece of plastic here. There we go. Now I'm doing this pretty much exactly the same way that I saw Chris on his channel Pour Me Another do it, except his plastic was clear, so I think he was just using saran wrap. I'll have to ask him. I'm using just a piece of plastic from a cut up tablecloth. Okay, I'm just moving some paint around. Then I'm going to pull it up. And this is going to be a masterpiece done in like 10 minutes. And again, if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to do. And everybody that keeps coming back to watch, thank you again. I just can't thank you enough. Okay, corner to corner I'm going to pull up. Looking pretty so far. I'm going to pull this plastic, get my hands covered in paint, why not? Okay, I'm coming up 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, let me give this a torch. Sorry, I had to get the paint off my hands. Oh, it's got some really pretty cells happening, which is exactly what we wanted. Oh, this deep turquoise is just a gorgeous color. Okay, let me put my glasses on my eyes, which, believe it or not, I just did that whole painting without having any glasses on. The cells are awesome. A little bit of yellow showing there, but not very much. I think I need to add a little more. But you know me, I always add to my paintings. Do I add to it or do I just leave it? Oh, sandy. Gotta give myself a little lecture here. Let me turn it. Look at it from another view. I think I want to tilt it a little bit. Get that center moving just a little bit more. Nope, I'm definitely not going to add any more paint onto this because it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to give it another quick little torch. Because I moved it, I'm just giving it a quick torch to so we got the bubbles out and get those cells happening. Which there's some really cool ones in the center here. Okay, I'm not going to tilt this for the camera because I'll just end up pouring paint and then. This turned out excellent. I would say I have 100% done a successful reverse dip. It's exactly what I wanted to have happen. So, yay! I did a little show off. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. Please hit subscribe. Come back and watch another video. Thanks again.